Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing front drop links on the S60. Let's go and have a look, shall we? I've already pre-soaked them in Bulldog, as you can see, top and bottom. Now that's an 18mm bolt. The bottom one is 15. Now hopefully that should just come off with an impact wrench. We'll give that a whirl, but in the middle is a Torx T40. Should we struggle, I think we can pinch just behind here with some mould grips just to stop the spline from spinning should we run into any trouble. But let's have a go. I think what I'm going to do first is just give the threads a bit of a scrub, try and give us the best opportunity for it to come free. Right, let's give it a whirl. Right, that's just spinning, so let's get some mould grips. Right, let's give it a bit more with this again. That looks like it's coming. I might just get the Torx head in there just to finish it off, but I think, yeah, that's yeah, we're coming undone now. Right, let's just get this off. Difficult to show you the bottom one, but you can see there that came out quite easily. I was expecting that one to be harder to get out, but let's get this one out, and that's it. Drop link off, and there we are. Now let's get the new one on. Right, let's just feed that behind the, sorry about that, feed that behind the, I think that's the wheel speed sensor wire. Let's get these on. Right, might need two hands for this, so just bear with. Right, I'll just put some brake cleaner on. Let's just get these surfaces nice and clean. And the same at the bottom on the roll bar. Right, where have I put the new one? Right, there it is. Right, let's get this on. Right, you can't get this muddled up because the thread obviously at the bottom is a smaller thread than the top. There we go. So now I've got my Torx T40 and two 18mm spanners. Not as easy as taking it off because you need to do this bit by hand, but I'll get the spanners and nearly done now. I've come up with a very novel idea of, if you have a camera stand, tripod, why not bloody use it? And then I can use both hands, which is fun. Right, so let's get this tightened up then. I don't think no, it's quite a thick end on that ratchet part, so I'm going to have to do it this way. Come on. Hey. So why is this not bigger? That's annoying. Shall we try the 19? It's 19 on the new one. Well, that's stupid, isn't it? Right. Oh, this is not working. Hold on. I just need to get it going a bit first, and then I'll use the ratchet, the counter hold. Well, this is very stupid. Anyway, I'll shut up and get this tight, shall I? Yeah, this is proving to be a bit of a bugger. I'll just get it tight. Sort of got it in a bit of an angle now where I can get it tight and then just square it up as I get to the end. So famous last words. There we are, it's coming together now. This is, got it again. Yeah, it's sort of squaring itself now, obviously, because it would. Sorry about the noisy tractor. There's a lot of farm fields around here. This is most annoying with it being a bigger nut. Let's see if I've got a smaller 19. I don't think I have. Well, this is professional. There's my zip pull. Oh, that might be better. From a good old Lidl toolkit. Yeah, that's better. He says. Let me try that on it now. Will that fit? Yes, that will fit. That's better. Right, one more. There we are. Top done, bottom to do. Well, sorry if this is a bit close, but the bottom nut was 15 as it came off the car, the new one's 17. Don't know. We'll go with it though. It's going to be very difficult to film under the car, so I'm just going to do this and then show you the end result. Right, and there we go, all done. Funnily enough, the nut was bigger on the bottom, but it was also a T30, so I don't know what GSF have supplied me. So very strange. So the new one I got on was 19mm. That was a 17 at the bottom. That was still a Torx T40, but the bottom was a T30 on the spline. So there we go, all done. Hope that was somewhat instructional. I don't think it was, but hopefully it will be. I'll see you soon. Cheers.